Is there life on other planets? Exoplanets might give us the answer. Scientists are trying to figure out if any exoplanets hold life by comparing their atmospheres to Earth's atmosphere, which contains molecules like water, methane, and carbon dioxide. How? Scientists use the transit method with transmission spectroscopy. Scientists use the transit method to discover the existence of an exoplanet. From our vantage point here on Earth, scientists measure the amount of starlight blocked as an exoplanet passes before it. This dip in starlight is proportional to the size of an exoplanet. Next, scientists determine if an exoplanet has an atmosphere. The atmosphere is studied by measuring the transit at different wavelengths of light. Wait, hold up. Waves? Like these? They're similar, but the waves I'm talking about are a little more complex. Like water that moves through the waves of an ocean, light travels perpendicular to the motion of a wave. The distance between each top of the waves determines the wavelength, which, in turn, determines the colors of light. Unlike ocean waves, light waves can travel through a vacuum, like outer space, at a range of different wavelengths, as shown in this chart. Scientists use these different wavelengths to determine what elements are in the atmosphere of an exoplanet. This is where transmission spectroscopy comes in. Scientists observe an exoplanet at different wavelengths corresponding to the visible, infrared, and ultraviolet light spectrums, and measure the size of the planet. The planet seems larger when the atmosphere is more opaque. This perceived increase in size allows scientists to understand which light waves are absorbed by the exoplanet's atmosphere, because this increase in opacity is caused by molecules present in the exoplanet's atmosphere, absorbing waves of light. Excuse me? This visual of gummy candies shows the absorption of light. Here I have red and green gummy candies. When I shine a red light on the red gummy candy, the red light is reflected and some is transmitted. When I shine the red light on the green gummy candy, the red light is absorbed. When I shine a green light on the green gummy candy, the green light is reflected and some is transmitted. When I shine the green light on the red gummy candy, the green light is absorbed. Scientists have successfully used transmission spectroscopy and data from telescopes around the world and in space to detect the presence of hydrogen, helium, sodium, potassium, and water in several exoplanets. The James Webb Space Telescope is planned to launch into orbit around the Sun in the next few years, and scientists hope it will bring them closer to finding an exoplanet that could hold life. The question still remains, is anybody out there?